I'm down here at one of our favorite places to visit, and that's Revolution Auto outside of Baltimore. Why are we here? Something I've been waiting for a long time. We're putting the new reborn Krimpstang on the Dyno. Now, if you're not familiar with the Krimpstang project, it was my former NMRA factory stock race car. I gave the car to a friend of mine after he had a really bad accident with his 96, and he completely rebuilt it as a road race car. And today we're going to throw it on the rollers and see what kind of power it makes. So we got Krimpstang strapped down to the dyno down here at Revolution Automotive. And Leo, refresh your memory of what the motor is. I mean, I had it was a 464 valve, and then I put a sealed Coyote in it. Now, again, obviously it's a whole new car, but a whole new engine as well.
Right, so AHM Performance here in Baltimore put together this 5.3 liter stroker 4.6. So it started life basically as a Mach 1 motor, and I've added ported cylinder heads, ported FR500 intake, a stroker crank, and big bore pistons. Obviously all the ancillary bolt-ons that would support a real max effort naturally aspirated build.
Now this is pump gas, it's set up for pump gas, or are we gonna mix some race fuel into it?
So we're gonna tune pump 93 now, and later today we'll switch over to E85. Its primary race fuel will be E85.
Any guesses on power? Do you have a number in mind?
It made 492. And now with the Holly, we're hoping to break that 500 number.
on motor, which is pretty impressive.
Right.